tax season is here, and you know what that means. People have their big refund checks, and they got down payments for houses, cars, smoothie machines, whatever it may be. They got money for it now. But in this video, I want to talk about how there are more homes that are going to be sold. Okay, so real estate agents are going to be selling a lot of houses during this part of the year and moving forward probably for the next 4 years or so. I've noticed and I've seen on news outlets and newsletters and things like that, that the economy, interest rates are changing, people are starting to list more houses, people are buying more houses, it's starting to go in a better direction. With that being said, people are spending more money too, and real estate agents in particular, they're wanting to make their clients feel special and they want to stand out in front of them. So, you know, a lot of times real estate agents will buy a customer a housewarming gift or just something for basically for dealing with that agent. So the agent will give a door hanger or a Christmas tree sign or a keychain or some type of home decoration or a cutting board. I know you've seen the cutting board with the couple's names on it. Yeah, they give something like that. And then that's where you come into the picture because you and we make that stuff. Now, I want to make sure I make this clear. This video isn't just for people who do laser cutting and laser engraving, because you can pretty much be creative with whatever business type you have. You can give it to a real estate agent as a housewarming gift. So it can be if you make lotions, if you make body scrubs, if you bake cookies, if you crochet, if you knit, if you do a service, you could give a coupon for your service to a real estate agent. I just want to make that clear that a housewarming gift doesn't always have to be a door hanger or a keychain. It can be whatever type of business you have that a new couple or just someone who just bought a house would love to have. Okay, so every year after tax season, the real estate economy spikes because people have a large enough down payment to finally buy a house. Now they've either been saving up for this or just waiting till this time, whatever it may be. Now we know the typical agent, they just hand the keys over and they give a bottle of wine or whatever, like it may be some cheap $5 gift. But first of all, who drinks wine? I don't drink wine. I'd probably have to just throw it in the trash if I got that. So the bottle of wine, it's very like kind of slap in the facious because you just spent $230,000 on a house, but you got a $5 bottle of wine to say thank you for your business. It's kind of forgettable, you know? You get the wine, you forget it, then you forget the agent. But what that real estate agent really needs, and they may not even understand this, but we understand this. What they need is something special, personalized, and meaningful so that they can stay top of mind in that person's eyes. Remember this, generic gifts don't build referrals, but personalized gifts do. So what type of products should you be selling real estate agents and brokers? Okay, so the first item would be a keychain with their name and the year they bought the house. This is a good one because the keychain goes on your keys. Obviously, you're using and handling your keys every day, multiple times per day. So every time they see the keychain, they're gonna think of their agent. So that'll help that real estate agent stay top of mind all the time. And then when that person comes across somebody who is getting ready to sell a house or buy a house, then they know. If they say, hey, do you know a real estate agent that we could deal with? Yes, we do. He gave me this keychain. Okay, and then obviously one of the big ones and the most obvious ones is the door hanger, a branded door hanger, so it can have their last name on it or just welcome or some type of cool quote. And again, it's a physical way of getting in front of potential buyers and sellers. So obviously you're going to stay top of mind because the customer is seeing that door hanger every time they walk in and out of their door, but then guests are going to come, they're going to see, and of course they're going to take a picture of it, put it on Facebook, and then it's very good marketing for the real estate agent. But guess what? You're the one that made the door hanger. So people are going to be asking, where'd you get that too? Now, the next thing is decorative home signs, which, you know, that's always a great option for any holiday or any profession, because a decorative home sign turns a house into a home. And then the people who bought that home, they're going to be, every time they look at it, if they like it a lot, they're going to think of the real estate agent, and then they're very appreciative or grateful for it. Keep in mind, with all of these things, you can also engrave, you know, and you can make it very small. It doesn't have to stand out on this thing, but engrave your name, phone number, whatever the name of your laser or craft business is. And then also you could have the same thing done for that real estate agent. So you could just offer that, say, hey, Mr. Real Estate Agent, Mrs. Real Estate Agent, I could engrave a permanent business card on the back or front of this or the side of this or whatever it may be. I think one of the biggest ones, one of the most popular ones is the family Christmas tree ornament. So, you know, no matter when they buy their house throughout the year, if you give them that ornament, they're going to put it up on their Christmas tree come the end of November, early Christmas, whatever it may be. They're going to put a Christmas tree ornament up. So it could be a normal Christmas tree ornament that just says like their last name and then all the family members' names, or it can be one that says like our first Christmas in our new home or something like that, with their last name, with the date they bought the house, things like that. So then they can save it forever. And then the last thing here is the cutting boards. I know you've seen the cutting boards before. You've seen them for wedding gifts. You've seen them for anniversaries. And then you've probably seen them for real estate gifts too, like if someone bought a house. So it's a cutting board. You engrave in it the name, probably an image, the year they bought the house or the year they got married or year of the anniversary, whatever it is. So that cutting board is a very good option for a gift. Okay, so you're probably wondering, how are you going to reach these real estate agents? Well, I got you covered. You're going to simply start by going on Google and reaching out to your local real estate brokerages. So you can go on Google and do it, or here's a good one. If you go to Zillow, you can go to your area and then there's a button there where you can click find a local agent near me, click on it. And then they literally have hundreds of local agents in your area and their phone numbers. So there's a hack for you right there. It's free. So you can go one or two ways with this. You can try to sell to each individual agent, or, you know what I'm going to tell you, it's my style, or you can go to the brokerage, to the broker, and then sign a deal with the broker and say, hey, if you pay me this amount per month, then I will make you this amount of signs or keychains per month. I'm telling you, this is a big hack. I hope you use this. Now, look, I just want to be clear. Real estate agents make huge commissions on these houses. So if you think somebody's not going to spend $50 or $100 per house on something they sold that earned them $8,000 commission, then you're mistaken, because $100 out of $8,000 or $5,000, whatever it may be, it's well worth it. And it's barely anything. So look, I just want to remind you, you can do this with your laser printer. You can do this with your Cricut. You can buy stuff off Alibaba in bulk. You could do print on demand. You can do all types of things. You could partner with someone else. You know, say you don't have a machine, but say you're good at marketing. You could partner with someone who has a machine, and then you could team up. You know, partner with someone local in your area, and then you guys could call these people yourself and make a whole business out of this. So here's a bonus tip that's going to help you to stand out right now. So you can do this right now in your city. If you have a laser and you come up with an idea, keychain, door hanger, home sign, whichever one it is, you're going to do that. And then you're going to take your idea to a massage spa, and then find somebody who wants to partner with you on this deal. So then you're going to give your thing and a ticket or a discount to the massage, and that's going to be the thing that you sell to the real estate agent. They're going to give that to their client. Okay, so just think that through, see if it's something that you're interested in, work it out, and then let me know in the comments below if you did it. Okay, so like I said, it's tax season, income tax season. People are gonna start spending a whole lot of money. I hope that this video is very valuable to you. I hope that you take it and run with it, and then you make a lot of money. So right now, you can book with me Calendly for some one-on-one coaching. Go ahead and send me an email if you have any questions. And then also, the fundraising course is live now. Click the link below. You'll get 8 downloads and you'll get 2 hours of coaching. I'll walk you through the course, how to land your first fundraiser. It's 50% off for the first 100 people. Thanks for watching. Bye.